just fitted the straw auxiliary fuel line, whatever you want to call it, that picks up the fuel for one of them Chinese diesel heaters. It's Ford Transit. What model is it? It's a T280. It's on a 13 plate. It's front wheel drive. This one, before I show you how to put it on, I couldn't get hold of one of these kits for love nor money. But when I was looking on the internet for them, I noticed that the ones for the Vito looked exactly the same, so I thought, fuck it, let's just get one of them, like, it'll either fit or it won't, like, because I can't be arsed to be waiting for one. So anyway, when it come, the instructions in it is for Ford Transit, so it's exactly the same. It even shows the fuel pickup the same, like where you've got the two main leads there, and there's your auxiliary one there, like. So if you can't get hold of one for a Ford, that's the one I ordered, and yeah, it fits. Plus it comes with a straw, the connector, a few other bits and pieces. I've got it all in now. Plus the blue cable is inside this black sheathing that comes with the kit as well. Yeah, I've seen on the internet they talk about 3 straps. Well, mine's only got 2 straps. That's the front of the vehicle, that's the rear of the vehicle. So all I did was, I got it on some stands. It's pretty obvious. You've got, like, what was it? You got a strap goes around there. That's the only bit. This heat shield, just fucking bend that out of the way, and just drop it down, and then eventually you'll see it. Like I say, front of the vehicle, back of the vehicle, and you'll see it there. It's got like a tolerance of 0.1 millimeter for cutting it off, but all I did, I just held a Stanley knife there, just followed it down where you could feel it start to get a bit wider, and just cut that. If you look at the top of the straw, of course it's all in and connected now. If you look at the top of the straw, you've got like a little conical shaped orange thing. Well, that's a rubber, and that fits into the top of your auxiliary feed. So you cut the top off, that fits down in, and then obviously as pressure pushes down on top of that, that rubber makes a tight seal. So then when you've got your little elbow bit that you pushes down onto the top, you hear that click, and it'll click when it's seated in, and you know it's all good. If that's not going in and you're finding you're having trouble with getting the straw in, and only the straw's fitting in, then you just shave a little bit more off, and it should be alright. But yeah, that's all I've done. Jack it up. It was quite easy. You just got 4 bolts, lower it down gently. Oh yeah, you've got where are we? There's your, you don't need to disconnect your like your fuel filler tank thing, whatever you want to call it. I just put a few screws there because stop that bit of wood sliding, but yeah, you could probably still do it without jacking it up, but it's a hell of a lot easier. Yeah, hope that helps someone. Cheers.